Hello, my little ones. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your Kiran ma'am. And you know, kids, today in Language Space English, we are going to learn a new concept that is one and more than one, एक और एक से ज़्यादा. See, kids, for example, I have kept only one pen over here, right? So what I have written? P-E-N, pen. And this side there are 1 and 2 pens. So what I have written? P-E-N, पेन की स्पेलिंग और पीछे लिखा है मैजिकल S because S is the friend of more than one. If I will put 2 more pens over here, then also I will write pens. P-E-N, पेन की स्पेलिंग और पीछे मैजिकल S. To understand more in detail this concept, let's see our English classwork book page number 125. Kids, on this page we will write first date, that is 2424-2-2121. 1 and more than 1. See, kids, there is only one cat. So we will write only cat. C-A-T, cat. Now count here. How many cats are there? 1, 2. There are 2 cats. So we will write C-A-T as cats. There is only one pen. So we will write P-A-N, pen. Now count here. How many pens are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pens. So we will write P-A-N-S, pens. See, now there is only one top. So we will write T-O-P, top. And now count here. How many tops are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 tops. So we will write T-O-P and magical S. T-O-P-S, tops. There is only one pen. So we will write P-E-N, pen. And count here. How many pens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pens. So we will write P-E-N-S, pens. There is only one mug. So we will write M-U-G, mug. Now count here. How many mugs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 mugs. So we will write M-U-G and magical S. So M-U-G-S, mugs. Kids, let's read once again. C-A-T, cat. C-A-T-S, cats. P-A-N, pen. P-A-N-S, pens. T-O-P, top. T-O-P-S, tops. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N-S, pens. M-U-G, mug. M-U-G-S, mugs. Now it's time to do an exercise for the same in our English classwork book page number 126. Kids, in this page also, first we will write date 2424-2-2121. First we will recognize the picture, then we will count it. It is 1 or more than one, then we will write the spelling of it over here. So kids, tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a bin. There is only one bin. So we will write the spelling of bin over here. B I N bin. Kids, count how many cats are there. 1, 2. 2 cats. So now we will write the spelling of cats over here. C A T S, cats. Now kids, tell me, which picture is this? This is a hut and there is only one hut. So now we will write the spelling of hut over here. H U T, hut. Now kids, count how many pens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pens. So now we will write the spelling of pens over here. P E N, and we will write magical S, because S is the friend of more than one. PENS, pens. Now kids, count how many tops are there. 1, 2, 3. So now we will write the spelling of tops over here. T O P S, tops. Now tell me, what is this? This is a mat and there is only one mat. So we will write only mat. M A T, mat. Kids, who is he? He is a boy and there is only one boy. So now we will write the spelling of boy over here. B O Y, boy. Now count how many mugs are there. 1, 2, 3. So now we will write the spelling of mugs over here. M U G, and we will put magical S, MUGS, mugs. See kids, like this way you have to finish your writing work in your English classwork book, page number 126. Kids, you also have to read the words in our English homework book, page number 81. I hope kids, you all have learned easily the concept of one and more than one. So keep practicing it at home. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.